Ever wondered how to make the perfect burger and fries at home? Well, wonder no more. Today we're delving into the art of crafting a tantalizingly juicy burger paired with crispy golden fries. Ready? Buckle up! Firstly, the heart of any great burger is, of course, the patty. Select high-quality ground beef, ideally an 80-20 blend of meat to fat. This ensures a juicy, flavorful burger. Season it generously with salt and pepper and form it into a patty slightly larger than your bun. Why, you ask? Well, the patty will shrink as it cooks, and this way you'll end up with a patty that perfectly fits the bun. Now on to the cooking. Heat up a cast iron skillet over medium heat and sear the patty for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side for a medium-rare burger. Remember, a perfectly cooked patty is crucial. While the patty is sizzling away, let's talk about the bun. A soft, lightly toasted brioche bun works wonders. Spread a thin layer of butter on each half and toast them on a pan until they're golden brown. The butter not only enhances the flavor, but also creates a barrier that prevents the bun from getting soggy. Once the patty is cooked to your liking, place it onto the toasted bun. Now it's time to dress up the burger. A slice of melting cheddar, crisp lettuce, juicy tomato, tangy pickles, and red onions add layers of flavor and texture. Don't forget a dollop of mayonnaise, a squirt of ketchup, or a smearing of mustard, whatever tickles your fancy. Now onto the star sidekick, the fries. Choose russet potatoes for their high starch content, which leads to a crispy exterior and fluffy interior. Cut them into even sticks, soak in cold water for an hour to remove excess starch, then pat dry. Heat up some vegetable oil to around 365 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry the potatoes twice. The first fry, at a lower temperature, cooks them through and makes them tender. The second fry, at a higher temperature, gets them golden brown and crispy. Season immediately after frying. So to sum it up, for the perfect homemade burger and fries, remember these key steps. Choose high-quality ground beef and season generously. Cook the patty in a cast iron skillet. Use a soft, lightly toasted brioche bun. Dress your burger with a variety of toppings. For the fries, use russet potatoes, soak them, double fry, and season immediately. Remember, the beauty of a homemade burger and fries is that you can customize it to your liking. So experiment with different toppings and seasonings until you find your perfect match. Now it's time to take a bite out of your culinary masterpiece. Savor the symphony of flavors. You've earned it. Happy cooking!